In Newsela, we can also upgrade. We need to pay for that. So for this, now I'm closing this one. And Newsela is nothing but will have so many articles in it related to all the subjects. And specifically, we can go for ancient, social, science, and so many subjects are available here. You can see browse according to English language and arts. This will also be called as ELA in this New Zealand. And then science subjects are available, social and news related, and also Spanish language is available for now. Maybe they will upgrade soon. And so many features. You can also watch videos not only by reading, you can also watch videos and news and fiction, poetry, and so many multimedias and so many options are available in this New Zealand. Now, you can also search. You can search a specific topic like now I'm going to type ancient China. So related to that, so many articles will be available. So you can see here, so many articles are there with artwork, so many articles. So which is for according to your class, you can choose the article and you can assign the article to the students. Now I'm choosing the first one. So in the year 1400 year, so many it is given like this. So you can see, and here you can change the language to Spanish. Now it is in English. If you want to change to Spanish, you can click here. Now it is changed to Spanish. Only two languages are available. Now I'm going again with the English. Now you can see the levels. Here you can see the maximum level is English. Maximum level of this article will be available when you click English Max. And this is the lower level, like grade 1 to 4 and then 5 to 8, like that we can choose. We can read and we can choose for, according to the classes. Now I'm going to with the lower. You can see the English text will be simple, and that is the level here given here. And you can choose the max also. So the English level will be high here. And this is an article they can read, the students can read and go through, and they can understand what is beyond this topic, what is behind this topic, and so on. And after reading this article, they need to do some activity, right? So for that, we have an activity space here. This is an inbuilt activities. So just click activities here, and they can write here also about that news, this article. They can write, they can edit, and they can write a short paragraph that explains the central idea of the article. So they can type here about the topic. So what they learned, they can type here what they learned, and they can save here also for their future purpose. And also they can do quizzes. Now you can choose quiz, and for one article at least maximum they are giving 4 questions. So related to that article, they have to choose. It is multiple choice question, and they have to choose an option, and they have to click next. So next, so next. So they will be attending all these answers, and they can see the results. And this is how the students will do that reading. In between, some students, lower level or higher level, high class students or anybody, if they are having some doubts, they can just select this one. So some important words, if they want to highlight, they can highlight with yellow color. So if I was surprised to see, so this line I'm just clicking and telling that this is very important line. So I'm highlighting with yellow color. If you select some specific line or the letters or the words, it will be selected and automatically it will show that highlighter. Now you can see if I'm choosing this one, automatically it is showing that colors. So 4 different colors are available according to your according to your criteria. can also choose any letter or word or anything like this, and automatically this highlighter will display here, and 4 highlighters are available. One is yellow, green and violet, and then and red. So if they have not understood this word, or if they doesn't know the meaning, they can highlight in red color, and they can so okay, in future they can actually they can find which is the right one, which is wrong, like that they can identify the meaning later. That's how they can read. So reading practice will be. So here also you can choose any letter or word, and you can choose the red color. So it is highlighting, see, an underline is coming under that color. So if you choose that one, it will be chosen. And for red color, you can give them if if they have not understood what is that meaning is about. So for that they can underline. So what specification you are giving to your student, according to that they will follow. And again, and other colors are available. You can say if it is not important, okay, this is not that much important. So like that you can give color specification, so that they will underline, they will highlight like this, and in future they will understand, okay, we can answer these questions like that. They can okay, this is how they have to read, and they will have some reading practices through these articles, and they will be fulfilled with many historic things. And then you can see so many options are available in this article. You can present lively when you are presenting in Google Meet or Zoom or any other apps. You can present it, and again if you click this presenting, it will go, and you can save this as a draft. Okay, you can use later. Okay, this will be available in the saved of your content. And you can see some students, we know that they doesn't know how to read some specific words, and they doesn't know how to pronounce these words. For them, they have given read aloud. If I click this one, it will read all throughout from the beginning to till the end, and they can also replay it, and they can pause it. Now I'll just click this one. You can watch how it is working.
China's Ancient Lifeline, the 1,400-year-old Grand Canal. By Ian Johnson, National Geographic Society. Published August 21, 2019. Grand Canal barges have no fancy names, no mermaids planted on the bow, no corny sayings painted on the stern.
So again, if you want
China's
to read the
Ancient
same
Lifeline, the
paragraph, you can click the
1,400-year-old
replay.
Grand Canal.
So it will
By
read
Ian
the
Johnson,
same.
National Geographic Society. Published August 21, 2019. Grand Canal
If they
barges
want
have
to
no
pause
fancy
it, they
names.
can pause it, so that they can again replay,
China's
and
Ancient
then
Lifeline,
it will
the
repeat the same, and it will
1,400-year-old
read
Grand
the same,
Canal. By
and they
Ian
can
Johnson,
exit from this
National
if they've
Geographic.
finished. Once they completed, they can click exit, so that it will be exited. Now this is the part of the teacher. They can share this one through Google Classroom. They can share through email. They can share this article. Now if I choose Google Classroom, it will ask you to see. I'm choosing my Google Classroom. Already I have given permission, so that it's easy for me to go. So my classes are available here. If I click this one, and if I click go, create assignment, so it will go. So you can see the options which is there in the Google Classroom, same like create assignment, ask a question, so create a material, you can send us a material. So like that you can choose, and then you can go. So now you can see it will be assigned. This link has been assigned to that. You can give the title, instructions, and you can click assign here. If I'm not giving this one, it will not assign, it will not be assigned. So you have to choose a topic, ancient China. So you can see it is available. So you can also save it as a draft, and future you can add, and you can give all the specifications as you know already. So this is how you can assign to the students. And also you can see one more option. If you want to hide it from your students, You can also hide it for this class or for any specific classes. So I have added all the classes which I'm taking. So you can also add all those classes, and if you want to hide for them, you can hide this article. And then you can also save it as a PDF. Okay, you can also save it as, if you want to print, you can save it as a PDF. You can click like this and you can see a PDF is available. You can send as a PDF also to your children. This is very nice actually. As a PDF you can send. So many articles are available in one app, in one website. And then one more option is add to text. So if you want to create add text, that is in this article, if you want to add some text, if the students want to add some text, they can click this one. But it will be available as you created this one at which year, at what date, and you modified this one. This you can only see, and this will be here. And if you want to edit a text created by my name is coming, see, like that it will come, and you have to create the text and then click a say share copy. You can copy this one, you can save for a later, and you can save as PDF and create assignment. And you can also click create assignment, and then levels also you can check which level, which grade you want to choose, grade 3 or grade 5, or which grade you want to choose, you can choose that one. And then click add classes, because I have classes in Google Classroom, I'm adding classes here. If you want to create a new class, it is also available in Newsela. You can create by yourself in Newsela and you can share to your children with the code. And if you want to give some instructions to the students, that's I told you, right, how to highlight in red color means what is the highlighter does it. Okay, like that you can highlight. And then you can click assignment. So after you complete all, after you have completed all the things, then you can go with the next option. So this is how the process is. So this is how the process is, and you can assign it, and you can see, you can search. I told you, you can search any related topics, and you can search any articles regard, and you can choose which topic is relevant for your students. And your content, if you have saved something, that you it will be available in this place, your content place. So I have saved this one as a draft, so it is available as a draft. And then if you are creating some article, that will be available here. And if your school is creating something, that is also available here. And this is your content saved, everything we have seen here. And the assignments, if you have assigned some assignments to your student, that will be available in under this um, tab. You can see all, you can see, or whether if you are saving something in the draft, in the sense you can, if you click that, you can see that one, that assignment. And then newest, oldest. Okay, this I created the last 2 days before, and this I created newly, so it is available. And you can also download the data, whether the students, how much students have done, what the students have done, what is the you can see also here. You can see there is no students in my classrooms, and just I created for this video purpose. Now you can see 0 students are there and 0 students have watched. Now I assigned for 25 students. Out of 25 students, no one watched this video, so 0 students have watched this video. Now if you click this one assignment, so you can review how many students all over the world, how many of them have watched. So student 1 have watched 100%, student 2 75%, student 3, like that you will get a data. So how many minutes they spent, how many grade they got, how much annotations they did. So all the details regarding that article, what is the students progress, that we can understand through this. You can see because there is no one attended, so it is saying that quiz activity is 0. quiz activity, no data, and then write activity. So these annotations, these criterias will be available for the teachers to understand how the students are doing in this article. So this is how it works like. And also this assignment you can share with your students through Google Classroom or through mail. And also you can delete if you don't want. If you want to edit, you can edit it. So this is how it works. And also assignments, I told you, out of how many students have attended this, how many students have read that article, how many students have watched, at what time, till what time they have read. So many data are there. And then activity feed, you can see what activity feed. So this is assigned yesterday 25 students, in which class I assigned. And reading summary also will be there if the students have read that one. These are the options available under assignments. The next is binder. So binder also you can see reading summary and activity feeder. So both will be available. And this is how this it works. And also community. Click this one. So you can see community members. If you have any questions, you can ask with the Newsela group of peoples. And if you have some doubts related to your topic or anything, you can just type it here and search a community. You can come and search math. So related to that, it will display. So this community is asking, okay, they are reading this one, okay, have some job, you chose a great variety of articles. So many things are available. You can watch YouTube video which they have created, and specific instructions also there. If you want some community help, they will also answer your questions. See here, how many views, how many students data. So many things we can ask here also. So Newsela community also will be available. They will also ask questions to us. And so many achievements, whatever it is given there. You can go through this. And if you want any support from Newsela, you can click here. Customize, review student work. So this will support us. You can watch also the binder and grading review. So how it works, quizzes and reviewing. So how does it works? Quiz answer keys, if you want, you can click that one. You can search for that in this option. So many things are available in this here. And also you can watch videos. I told you, right? Videos. So this is how listening skill will be improved.
Muhammad Ali spent years training to become the greatest boxer the world had ever seen, but only moments to create the shortest poem. Ali
So you can
captivated
watch and you
Harvard's
can rewind 15 seconds. Rewind again. It will play, and you can go with the full screen. Audio and caption also is available. If it is in English, English audio and English captions. So captions will be available.
Love swings.
Muhammad
So you
Ali
can see
spent
the
years
captions are
training
available.
to
If you don't
become the
want this
greatest
captions,
boxer the
because
world
some
had ever
students they
seen.
doesn't know how to use this one, how to read the videos, or how to listen that video. If they are reading through this captions, it will be very useful for them. They can easily understand. And also there is full text given here under that video. So every instructions and everything is given here as the transcript here. You can save this, you can share to your student, and so many things. So many videos are available, teaching videos, and then art videos. So many videos are available. You can click show more videos. Okay. You can see so many videos. Newsela is also presenting some videos.
the assignment
See
to view
how to
instructions
do this
and
one.
begin
Everything is
working.
available here itself.
And
And at last, so they are reading, your children are reading, your students are reading, and everything is done. Okay, you can view how they have attended the quiz related to that article, everything you can view. And how to give that assignment, let's see how to give that assignment. In Newsela, you can see so many options are available, like especially forward quiz, and we can assign in the Google Classroom, or you can send through mail. And there is an important option which is a read aloud. So next, we can give an assignment like this, and you can see. So I have given related to that. I have given some assignment like interesting fact, what I learned from that article. What is your opinion? If you have some visual images, you can give, and text pictures. If they have some questions, and they can give in vocabulary. So many options. According to your topic, you can give such uh, such assignments, and they have to fill these things like this. You can see and made idea about the mass, okay, and what is the article title from others article. They are creating their own article. Now you can see this is actually, you can, if you see this one, you can see that I have done something like that. It was actually, but others did. From that I copied and pasted. And text features, which is important features, you can give that features. If you want to have a picture, you can ask them to have a picture, and what is their opinion about that article. And then if they have some questions related to that article, they can ask that question. And here you can see what they learned from that topic. So this is how you can assign. You can give, you can share as a Google slides or docs, and you can ask them to fill this, and you can give an assignment like this.